Toots. Fucking record. Yeah. If I can get it to fucking record.
My heater is sweet. That thing.
Point it whatever you want to point it at. Is it recording? Right, so is it flashing? They got a little red light flashing? Yeah, we're recording. Missing some sticks.
You'll appreciate it at the gas stop. Holy big ass cooler.
Sorry.
Left-hander?
Lefty. The 42 is the same way.
Oh, it is?
Fucker, isn't he? You know, they make an insert for these to make it a three-man across.
Oh, really?
And that lets the middle guy be the throttle guy.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be cool.
See, that's thinking ahead.
Well, Ron was driving.
We're doing that in the 42.
Yeah.
The 42 set up the same way. Yep.
Yeah, when I was running both boats, Crown Line and this one, every time I'd go to shift something or throttle, I was grabbing the wrong end.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
It ain't that fast.
It ain't that fast. Doesn't matter.
I like it.
It doesn't matter. I mean, it really doesn't matter. It's like when we were running the other day, and Doug's running, you know, and he running up a little bit. I knew he wouldn't really let it eat. I said, all right, let me drive this thing. And Doug jumps out of the way, and I go down and grab all the life jackets. I should have grabbed life jackets.
I'm like, oh, we're going fast.
Well, we're going to go fast now.
Me and Bob look at each other like, this can't be good. It's going to be great. That towboat should have been in here by now if he was towing somebody.
Yeah.
Now, did you ever look at these to see where neutral is on the tabs as far as when it's on a trailer?
Yeah, about 3 is neutral.
3 is about perfectly level?
Yeah.
Might want to bury him to get out of the hole.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Bear, everybody leans forward. And I ain't joking.
Bring him right up.
This got external steering on it?
Yeah. The fountain.
right against the seat. Pull it right against the seat. There you go. Fucking nice out.
I know,